time to welcome our beloved dignitaries. To install the first dignitary on the dais, I would like to invite splendid Shashikant Biradar.
I have a privilege to introduce the great leader who was born on 21st March 1958 in Vijaypur district, Indi Taluk and Mirigi. He has completed his SSLC in 1974 in Chadichan, and he has completed his PUC Science from PDJ College Vijaypur in the year 1976. He has completed BTech in Metallurgical Engineering from Regional Engineering College Surathkal in the year 1981. He has joined Kirloskar Iron Engineers Limited, Pune in the year 1981 as a GET. He has climbed up various critical roles in the areas of manufacturing, quality, and also in the marketing area. And the year 1991, when KFIL has established its first unit in Koppal as a foundry unit, he was instrumental in establishing the organization, and the organization, which was making 140 crores loss in the year 2001 to currently around 7,000 crores revenue company, a turnaround because of his great leadership. He has many feeders with him, successful feeders of acquiring many units like Hirur plant, Solapur plant, and Oliver Engineering plant, Punjab plant, and also he was instrumental in acquiring recently Kirloskar Bharat mines, and also Solapur solar units, and also coke-oven plants, and many more such units to come in future. So it is his passion to being instrumental in helping the KFIL to acquire new units and transforming the every unit to a profitable organization. His leadership is par excellence in steering the company to glory by walk the talk. He has established a climate of trust, transparency, and nurturing and honing many employees in not only in technical skills but also in managerial skills. His business acumen, analytical skills, and strategic thinking with cool, composed, and empathetical nature has influenced many employees working with him and observing, and no wonder that many of the employees who have been groomed under him are now fly high like an eagle and acquire successfully playing the role of functional heads, SBU heads, and also plant heads. He is a leader who fosters a conducive work culture and on various elements of communication, top-down approach of decimating the company policies, framework, and procedures, and also bottom-up approach of creating work environment with a lot of creativity, suggestions, and so on and so forth. His leadership style is consistent, progressive, and ground footing with decision making based on the fundamentals and evaluating the scenarios based on the future focus. He is a role model, living the organization values of excellence, integrity, empathy, value creation, and also nurturing the values of innovative thinking. His life inspiration comes when he has met Dr. D.R. Bendre, who is a Padma Shri and Jnanpith Awardee. His advice of excel with dedication in any chosen field has influenced him greatly. Apart from him, other influential leaders, their influence he has created a driving force of dedicating and caring nature and contributing to the organization and nation at large. He is in the areas of social contributions. He was instrumental in establishing Kirloskar Ferrous Rural Development Trust, through which he has ensured a lot of social initiatives like conducting preventive health camps and blood donation camps, vaccination drives, and also identifying the nearby villages critical major illness ailments, and also financially supporting them so that they can live a better life. His focus area of corporate social responsibility remain on the four pillars. The first one is health and hygiene, second is community development, third one is education, and fourth is environment. So he has ensured that the surrounding villages also get benefited and ensured that inclusive growth for an organization. Our leader, as a best practice, keeps the stakeholders' interest at the center of any business operations and policy decisions. And he has driven the corporate governance with policies and frameworks, procedures and systems in a systematic manner. Here I have a great privilege to honor and invite our great leader, living legend and inspiring great leader, our beloved Managing Director, Sri R.V. Gumaste sir.